Hey, webmaster. Welcome to the first episode of our video series, Hey, Webmaster, where in each episode we'll have a brief talk about websites. We'll talk about website design, website development, and website performance. We'll also be covering current news and events, such as regulatory and compliance changes, security announcements, industry trends, and more. Topics that impact webmasters. You may be wondering, what is a webmaster? You may be calling yourself web manager, developer, funnel strategist, internet executive. At the end of the day, if you play a role in keeping your website running, hey, you're a webmaster. If you're managing a website, whether it's your own or someone else's, you're a webmaster. It doesn't matter if it's a simple single page brochure or a complex e commerce platform with third party integrations, or maybe you're a software as a service uh, delivering via a headless content management system. You're going to want to tune in. This series is for you. Well, that's all we have for this episode. If you have something to add or have a question about something we covered today, please leave a comment. Or if you have a topic in mind that you'd like to know more about or have me speak about, again, please leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And please like, follow, and subscribe. May your site always be secure and your load times fast.